In today's video, we will take a look at how to go left through a roundabout. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes. You can clearly see the traffic on the road. Maintain a safe gap from the vehicle in front of you. Turn on your left indicator. This driver has already informed me that he wants to go left or make a U-turn, so he will choose the left lane of the roundabout. Now, we want to go left. First, take a look at the vehicles already inside the roundabout. If there are vehicles in the roundabout, you must stop and wait for a safe gap. When you find a safe gap, move your car into the roundabout. Some students apply unnecessary brakes before entering the roundabout. Avoid unnecessary braking. As we discussed in the last video, to go straight, we choose the right lane of the roundabout. But to go left or make a U-turn, we choose the left lane and keep the left indicator on. Now move your car into the left lane of the roundabout. As I can see there are no vehicles behind this car, I decide to enter the roundabout. My left indicator is still on. This car is outside the roundabout, and the driver knows that my left indicator is on, so the driver must wait for me. Now I will inform this driver that I want to exit the roundabout. So, I will change the indicator to the right. Here, turn on the right indicator. Here, you must take a quick look through the right side window to check if there are any approaching vehicles. This is where many students get confused about which lane to choose while exiting. Look carefully. You are exiting from the inner lane, so you should enter in this left lane after exiting. This right lane is for vehicles that are turning right from here. If a vehicle wants to turn right, it will choose the right lane. Since you are exiting the roundabout, you should choose the left lane. Turn off your indicator if it does not switch off automatically. Let's take a look one more time. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you cover them during your practice sessions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.